I'm totally upset. Girl. What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. In today's video, I'll be doing a product review of the Doux Big Poppa Defining Gel. If you're interested in how I achieve this look, you'll want to stick around. So, I have already done a review on the Doux Most Def Texture Foam. If you haven't already seen that video, I'll be sure to link it up above. But in today's video, unlike the previous video, I am doing a twist out.
Okay, so this is the Big Poppa Defining Gel. Topping curls notorious definition for all curl types. Defines even the tightest curls while fighting frizz and humidity. No need for layering. Big Poppa's built-in conditioner softens hair for touchable curls with no contour flaking. For washing curls, twists, braids, so on and so forth. Do you apply to freshly washed wet hair in sections, working from root to ends, air dry, hood dry, or diffuse. Allow the hair to completely dry before fluffing and separating as desired.
So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. Don't think that I'm going to use leave-in. I honestly kind of want to just kind of see what this product, how it works all on its own, and give you guys my honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So, oh wow, it smells really, really good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've never used this product before. So what I've learned for me to create the best twist out that isn't going to take forever and a day to dry is to not have it done on soaking wet hair. So get the results that I usually get when I do my twist outs, flat twist my hair, especially like in the front, so that I can really get those roots. So for me, that looks like side A looks like. Done with my twist out, and I have 4 in the back and 8 in the front. I tried to flat twist the hair down. So let's get into the product. Overall, I am already liking the Big Poppa better than I like the mousse. I guess you can say that I'm a gel girl. I'ma like how this turns out. The smell, the condition, the shine of it all. Didn't use a whole lot. I can get at least 4 more twist outs from this. I'm already excited. I don't want to hype myself up because I kind of got super hyped about the mousse, and I didn't leave with the best results from just the mousse by itself. Comment down below if you prefer mousse or gel. Now I'm interested in doing like half mousse, half gel to kind of see if I can see a difference in the result. I don't want to rate it yet, but it's giving. I almost forgot. So it's been like a day. My hair is still in a twist, so let's take it down. Okay, so somehow my hair is not completely dry. I don't know how. It's been like 24 hours since I did it, so I'ma just see what comes of it. So I'm a gel girl, and already this is by far one of my favorite gels. I am a gel girl because the gel, I don't know what it is, but my hair does really well with the gel. I am loving the results. There's no flaking. There's still very much crunch there, and the reason I prefer crunch is because that lets me know that these curls are going to be sticking around for a while. I know for a fact I'll probably be able to have these curls in for a week. I'm saying it now. You guys, run and get this right now. The Doux, you guys knew what you were doing over there. This is good stuff. I'm obsessed. What? I love it. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Are you literally obsessed with this like I am? I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say, but go get it right now. Go get it right now. 10 out of 10, 1000% recommend. That does it for today's video. If you enjoy the video, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. I really enjoy sharing these hair videos with you. Comment down below some other products you may want me to try. I have a few in mind.